spicy, tangy and so flavorful. Let's make this pakat fish curry today. It's also called as stingray or kite fish. This recipe too is very simple to make but so very delicious. The full recipe is mentioned in the description box below. So let's start with the recipe. So these are all the ingredients required for the recipe today. I have taken around 7 to 8 pieces of pakat. The fish is thoroughly washed and cut into pieces. Next, I have taken 7 to 8 pieces of dried mango, also called as Amboshi. And I have just used little water so that it soaks for a little while. Next, I have taken 2 tablespoons of East Indian bottle masala. You can also use Malwani fish curry masala. Half a teaspoon of salt. Next, we'll require a stem of curry leaves, 3 green chillies, 1 large tomato, handful of coriander leaves, and these are 9 to 10 large cloves of garlic. We need to chop all of these and keep it ready for the recipe. In place of the pakat, you could also use shark fish, that is called as Mushi. So now let's start cooking. I'll just heat up a pan and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. There is no grinding required for this fish curry. It's just very simple. All we have to do is to bagar all the tame what we have cut. So once the oil is hot, we'll add the chilies, garlic and tomato first. Finely chopped garlic and fresh coriander leaves are the main ingredients in this recipe. The more the better. It brings out the real flavor of this pakat fish curry. So here I had chopped out around 10 cloves of garlic. You can add a little more too. So after adding the garlic, chili and tomato, we will just stir this in well and let it cook till the tomato is a bit soft. And do keep stirring that in between. And now these tomatoes are a little bit soft, so I'll be just adding the curry leaves. I'll just break down the curry leaves into 2 pieces and add that along with the fresh coriander that is finely chopped too. So this is a nice handful of fresh coriander leaves. These coriander leaves give a nice good flavor to this recipe. So just add a handful of it. So I'll just mix that as well and stir it for about a minute. Once the coriander leaves too are a bit soft, we'll be adding the East Indian bottle masala. So this is 2 tablespoons of East Indian bottle masala along half a teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt accordingly. So after adding the bottle masala and salt, just give it a quick stir. To prevent the masala from burning further and it cooks well, so I just added a little water. So mix the masala well and let the masala cook now for some time. Keep stirring it in between and this will take about a minute or so. By now all the tomato and all the other ingredients too are got nice soft and like paste type. And so now it's time to add in the fish. So we'll add in the pakat fish. In place of pakat fish, you could also use baby shark, that is Mushi fish here, and give it a quick stir. Just coat the fish well with the masala. And next now we'll be adding the dried mango pieces. You can use fresh raw mango pieces too when they are in season. Or for the sarnies, you could also use tamarind pulp. And so now I'll just mix it all well and add half a cup of water so that the fish cooks well in it. There is nothing more to be added. We'll just cover it and let it cook. We will let the pakat cook well and that will take around 7 to 8 minutes. I'll be cooking this on medium flame. The gravy becomes thicker later on, so you can adjust the water according as per your need. So after simmering this curry for around 7 to 8 minutes, our delicious pakat curry is ready. You know your pakat fish curry is ready when you see that the fish opens up and you can see those lines well. And as this curry cools down, it starts getting thicker on its own. So our super delicious pakat curry is ready to be served with some rice, pav or even rotis. I hope you like this recipe and do give it a try. You will surely love the spicy, tangy flavor of this fish curry. Thanks so much for watching and do subscribe to Garfin's Creation for more recipes. I'll see you soon again. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.